Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into the iPhone 16's wild new AI features, and trust me, this is the most futuristic iPhone yet. If you thought your phone was smart before, just wait. Let's start with Siri, who's basically graduated from assistant to actual conversation partner. With advanced natural language processing, Siri gets context, nails those complex commands, and feels way more human. I can just chat with Siri, and she'll not only answer, but actually learn my routines. Need a summary of a document, a quick reminder about my next meeting, or a suggestion for the best shortcut? Siri's on it before I even finish my sentence. Now for you camera lovers, get ready. The iPhone 16's visual intelligence is like having a photographer and a genius photo editor in your pocket. Point your camera at anything, text, objects, sunsets, and it recognizes them in real time, popping up instant info or letting you interact with text instantly. Plus, smart framing and scene detection means the camera auto-adjusts to get the best angle, lighting, and color every single time. Basically, every shot is Instagram ready. And if your perfect photo has a not-so-perfect background, no problem. The new cleanup tool lets me erase unwanted objects, think photobombers or ugly trash cans, and the AI fills in the space like magic. Seriously, it's next level. Writing just got way easier too. Whether I'm in notes, mail, or messages, the AI can proofread, summarize, or even rewrite my text if I want a different vibe. Long email? The AI trims it down. Need something to sound friendlier? One tap and boom, it's done. Speaking of mail, the new smart categorization is a game changer. No more inbox chaos. Everything's auto-sorted into primary, transactions, updates, or promotions. The important stuff? Highlighted so I never miss it. Okay, let's talk creativity. Genmoji lets me create custom emojis just by describing them, cat in sunglasses or robot eating pizza, and the AI spits out options in seconds. Then there's Image Playground, where I can just type a prompt and get custom images for notes, projects, whatever. And Movie Memory takes my photos and clips, turns them into themed highlight reels, and all I have to do is describe what I want. Finding that one epic sunset photo just got way easier too. Now I just type me hiking at sunset, and the AI scans my whole gallery to find the exact shot. No endless scrolling. And for the readers out there, Safari Intelligent Search is here to save your time. The AI reads whole web pages, highlights the good stuff, and gives me a quick summary so I get the info I need without wading through fluff. All these features work seamlessly together, making the iPhone 16 feel less like a phone and more like a personal tech sidekick. If you're into smart, creative, and just plain awesome gadgets, this iPhone's AI will blow your mind. Don't forget to drop your questions and thoughts below. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.